these today, I think.
Breakfast of champions. Fuel for a busy day ahead.
Interesting. Tech stocks are rising. Good news for the company.
The blue collar today. Professional yet approachable. Perfect fit. I'm ready to tackle the day.
Messenger bag. Check. Work badge. Check. Let's go. Time to head to work. Another day, another adventure.
Beautiful morning. Perfect weather for the walk to work.
Excuse me. Coming through.
Red light means stop. Safety first, always.
Green light. Let's go. Staying safe and aware.
Fresh coffee. But no time today. Can't be late. There it is. Made it with 10 minutes to spare.
Good morning, everyone. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Third floor, here we go. Time to start the workday. All right, let's see what today has in store. Good morning, team. Ready for another great day. Let me check today's schedule. Meetings at 9 and 2. Deliveries at noon.
23 new emails already. Better get through these efficiently.
Coffee break. Just what I needed to stay energized. Thank you all for joining this morning meeting. Let's review our weekly progress.
Important point, lunches must follow up on client feedback by Friday.
These numbers look promising. We're 15% ahead of target. Excellent meeting, everyone. Let's keep up the great work. Now, where did I file that quarterly summary? Q4 section. October summary code? Got it. This is exactly what I needed. Let me compare these figures with last quarter's performance. Perfect. Reports printing cleanly. Just need to organize these.
Stapling these reports together. One for each department head.
We need to finalize the report by 3.
Time to sort and distribute.
This goes to marketing, this to IT department.
Max is here with the delivery.
Good boy, come on in.
Package delivery for marketing. Sign here, please. Just kidding. Thank you.
One down. Several more packages to deliver before the 2 p.m. meeting. Marketing, check. Next up, IT department on the second floor.
IT department delivery. Keep up the great work with the systems.
5 minutes until my 2 p.m. meeting. Better hurry back. Almost there. Can't be late. Made it. Right on time. Thank you all for joining this afternoon session. Let's discuss next quarter's planning. As you can see from Q3 results, we exceeded targets by 18%. I propose we allocate additional resources to customer support for Q4. Excellent discussion, everyone. Let's implement these strategies next week.
Let me wrap up these last few emails before calling it a day. And send. All done for today.
Always leave the desk clean and organized for tomorrow.
Another productive day complete. Time to head home. What a good day. Productive and fulfilling. Evening walks are so peaceful. Perfect way to decompress. Better grab a few things for dinner. See what looks good.